In 2007, I was in a serious parenting mess, struggling and battling to raise my 3 kids. I was stressed out and frustrated until I discovered a secret parenting system and everything changed for me. I transitioned from yelling, stress and frustration to peaceful connection with my kids at a super friendly level. My name is Dr. Wole, a leading parent coach and the author of the 12 Secrets of Highly Successful Parents, a proud father of 3 amazing grown-up children, and a professional educator with 2 decades of practical experience working with young kids. Have you ever wondered why most parents fail in raising wholesome and successful kids nowadays? Follow me as I show you in this video the 4 major root causes of high rate of parental failure in our society today, and how you can avoid this deadly trap and raise successful children you can be proud of. Here are the 4 major root causes of high parental failure. 1. The present generation kids are completely different from the olden day children. 2. Many parents attempt to raise digital kids with old parenting methods. This is a sure recipe for failure. 3. Most parents do nothing to upgrade their parenting knowledge and skills. And 4. Mobile phones, TV, internet, and a highly sexualized society that we have today have worsened situation for most of our kids today. What then is the way out? How can parents navigate through these parenting challenges successfully? I have good news for you. The 12 Secrets of Highly Successful Parents is the answer. It is a new breakthrough coaching guide for 21st century parents. Everything you need to know about parenting digital kids is contained therein. And right now, you can have access to this system for yourself. Click the link below to learn more about it.